Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to add an audio file to your Wixel document. Let's get started. Here on the Wixel Editor, go to Add Elements on the action bar above, scroll down to the bottom until you reach the Embeds section. Then select Audio. On this small window, you can either embed an audio file by inputting its embed link or by uploading your own file from your computer. If you choose to use embed, make sure that you paste the URL of your audio from SoundCloud or Spotify here. Or if you select upload, make sure to upload your file. Once your file's uploaded, click on it and click on Add Track, and it'll then be added to your document. If you wish to adjust its size as well as its alignment, just go to the action bar above, and if you go to Settings, you'll have the option to edit its title, add its creator, and add a cover image, and decide whether you'd allow this to be downloaded or not. So just set these up according to your needs and preferences. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.